My name is Magdalena Bazalova-Carter. I am an associate professor in Canada Research Chair at the University of Victoria in the Department of Physics and Astronomy. And I lead the X-ray Cancer Imaging and Therapy Experimental Lab. And as the name suggests, we do research in diagnostic X-ray imaging and radiation therapy. In terms of diagnostic imaging, we focus on improvements of cancer detection, and in terms of radiation therapy, we basically do research in two main areas. One of them is to decrease the cost of radiation therapy, to increase its globalization, and the second area is to improve outcomes of radiation therapy by means of developing tools for flash radiation therapy. These patients in remote areas within Canada can either travel long distances to undergo treatment, and this might be for example, a month, because that's how long a course of radiation therapy takes, or they basically don't get treatment. But if we develop this system, which we are working on currently, we can actually drive the equipment to them. I did start doing physics in high-energy physics, and it was really exciting. I worked at CERN, with all these very expensive equipment. But then I learned about medical physics when I studied abroad in Spain for one semester when I was studying in the Czech Republic. And I really loved the fact that actually I can combine technology but also help cancer patients. And this is something that I very much enjoy in my career. I grew up in a communist country in Czechoslovakia in Eastern Europe. So I still remember when I was 8 years old, my parents would send me to the store to line up for bread for 2 hours. And that's how long it took to actually make sure that we get bread, because there was a shortage of it. So I can, again, very much relate to people living in these areas, and it brings me immense pleasure to be able to work towards improving their lives, especially for cancer treatments.